Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. My name is Devarshika Nigam and today I'm going to give lecture on ISO 15504, also known as SPICE, which stands for Software Process Improvement and Capability Determination. ISO 15504 is an international standard for assessing the maturity of software development processes. It provides a framework for evaluating and improving the processes used in software development, ensuring that they meet industry best practices and deliver high-quality results. Let's start with a brief history. ISO 15504 was initially developed in the early 1990s. It evolved from the need to standardize process assessment in software engineering. The standard has gone through several iterations, with the latest version being aligned closely with ISO IEC 33000 series, which focuses on process assessment. ISO 15504 is structured into two main parts: process assessment and process improvement. The assessment part provides a methodology to evaluate the capability of software processes, while the improvement part offers guidelines on how to enhance these processes. The process assessment model PAM in ISO 15504 includes two key components: process capability levels and process attributes. Capability levels range from 0 to 5, where level 0 indicates an incomplete process and level 5 indicates an optimizing process. Process attributes are specific criteria used to determine the capability level of a process. Capability levels explained. Let's break down the capability levels. Level 0, incomplete process. Level 1, performed process. Level 2, managed process. Level 3, established process. Level 4, predictable process, and level 5, optimizing process. Each level builds upon the previous one, providing a clear roadmap for process improvement. Benefits of ISO 15504. Adopting ISO 15504 offers several benefits, including improved process quality and consistency, enhanced ability to requirements, better project management and risk management, facilitated continuous process improvement. Implementing ISO 15504. Implementing ISO 15504 involves several steps. Initiation: understand the standard and its relevance to your organization. Assessment: evaluate current processes against the standards criteria. Improvement planning: develop a plan to address identified gaps and enhance process capabilities. Implementation: execute the improvement plan and monitor progress. Reassessment: regularly reassess processes to ensure continuous improvement. Challenges and considerations. While ISO 15504 offers numerous benefits, it also comes with challenges such as initial setup costs and resource allocation, resistance to change within the organization, need for continuous training and development. However, these challenges can be mitigated with proper planning and management. In conclusion, ISO 15504 is a powerful framework for assessing and improving software processes. By adopting this standard, organizations can achieve higher quality, greater efficiency, and better alignment with industry best practices. Thank you for your attention and joining us today, and I look forward to any questions you may have. Feel free to ask any question. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.